Welcome to Quick English Practice. English Grammar Quiz. Each question takes 10 seconds to answer. If you pass this test, your English is excellent. Let's get started. Good luck. He is not only intelligent, hard-working. Right answer is B, but also. The teacher made him. The question again. Right answer is B, repeat. She didn't come. Disappointed us. Right answer is a witch. Either my mother or my sisters going to the market. Right answer is CR. The children were playing the garden. Right answer is B in. He was too tired. Continue. Right answer is A2. She a song when I called her. Right answer is C, was singing. How many players on the field? Right answer is AR. We met a girl. Father is a doctor. Right answer is B, whose. She said that she, the work. Right answer is C, had completed. You will fail, you work hard. Right answer is A, unless. He is too weak, the box. Right answer is A, to lift. There are not apples in the basket. Right answer is B, any. He ran fast. He missed the train. Right answer is A, but. I look forward to from you soon. Right answer is C, hearing. He speaks English better than in his class. Right answer is A, anyone. He will come if he time. Right answer is C, has. The teacher as well as the students, happy. Right answer is B, is. Do you know where she... Right answer is A, lives. He worked hard. He could pass the exam. Right answer is B, so that. You must listen. Your teacher. Right answer is A, to. He did the work. Mistake. Right answer is C, by. He is good at solving problems. Right answer is A, mathematics. This is the same girl won the contest. Right answer is C, who. He hardly does work. Right answer is B, any.